Hello Simate, you're welcome once again to another interesting tutorial. So I've gone ahead to draft my basic bodice block. If you do not know how to draft yours, I have a detailed tutorial, I think about 2 videos on how to draft a basic bodice block. So do well to check the link in the description below. So I'm going to mark out my parameters. I have the waistline there, the bust line there. So you're going to come in from the midpoint by 3.5 to 4 inches. You can actually use the half of the bust span for this. Then on that point, I'm going to be marking 1.5 inches. Actually, you can do any depending on you since the slash and spread method. So I just connected the lines to that midpoint. Collected the line to their midpoint. The idea is just to get a slash, all right? To get a slash and then spread the paper to get that illusion on that point. So having done that, I'm going to be cutting that part up. I'll open that part up, and once I open it up, I'm going to have those ruffle illusion. So in splash and spread method is very, very simple. You just have to play around your imagination. In fact, personally, I love splash and spread method. It's it has a way of you just create amazing designs. All right. So I've done that now. I'm going to place another paper under this. I've placed another paper under this, and you can spread this part as wide as you want. Just note that the width of your spread will determine how wide your belt is. So I'm just trying to staple down my paper on the other pattern so that it can all stay in place. Now I have so many detailed videos on how to draft so many patterns. Please do well to check out the videos, right? I'm going to link them up in the description below. So I'm just trying to connect that point that we came in by to the other point, and then you're going to draw a straight line. All right, now you can decide to make yours you can decide to taper your rope. All right, so you can make it straight or you can just make it narrow, just depending on you. So if you want to drop this on the fabric, you can make the length of your rope to be as long as 20 or 30 so that you can have enough fabric to tie by the side. All right, and that is it. So I'm just cutting out that paper so I can have my pattern. So thank you so much for watching to this, and I hope that you try yours. On this channel I always emphasize on practicing. When you practice, you become perfect in your craft. And also have a series going on, a ready to wear series, if you're into any ready to wear. By the way, this particular design is very nice for ready to wear because you don't really have to snatch the piece. Just get your size chart and then make this trendy piece very, very nice. Something you can always make as a ready to wear piece. So if you're ready to wear, I have a series going on where I teach fashionpreneurs on how to start and scale up wear pieces. They're ready to wear brand. And I also have some ebooks. I have a one-on-one consultation. Want somebody to hold you by the hand and help you scale up your ready to wear. And I also have resource, a ready to wear easy guide. I have this course. It's very helpful if you want to scale up your ready to wear journey. So thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe, to like, and to share. And please always leave your comments in the comment section. Please collaborate in the comment section. You wouldn't really know who you might meet in the comment section. So thank you so much. And when you practice, please tag me, okay? Let me know. Send me pictures. This is the name of my brand on Instagram. Send me pictures and I'll be waiting to see your beautiful designs. Bye.